Welcome to this video on the Gemini integration. We'll explore how this AI technology synergizes the Google ecosystem to transform your workflow. Gemini unifies Google by connecting your various apps. It creates a single AI experience, automating daily tasks seamlessly across the ecosystem. Within your workspace, Gemini accesses your information to summarize emails in Gmail, analyze spreadsheets in Sheets, and even create presentations in Slides. In the cloud, Gemini powers Vertex AI. Developers use it, and enterprises build custom agents to automate complex workflows and scale operations. Gemini is natively multimodal, meaning it sees, hears, and reads. It processes text, images, audio, video, and code simultaneously using a unified input. It also uses real-time search by connecting to Google Search. This helps find verified information and features a double-check button to assess the answers. Gemini Nano, a powerful version, runs directly on your phone, starting with the Pixel 8 Pro. It powers Smart Reply, summarizes audio in the Recorder app, and protects your privacy. Users can create tailored AI agents, called GEMs. These act as subject matter experts, such as a tutor, editor, or coder, fitting your specific role and needs. Gemini significantly speeds up your work. It summarizes meetings, creates project plans in docs, and helps developers write code faster and more efficiently. Here is an ecosystem breakdown. Workspace is best for daily tasks in your apps. Gemini Nano is ideal for offline privacy on your phone. And Vertex AI supports developers building apps for your business. The real advantage is the deep integration. Gemini uses the tools you already know, reduces friction in your work, and keeps your data secure inside Google Cloud.